Dear citizens and guests of the city of Kostanay, welcome to the 5th International Festival of the Ancient Technologies and Cultural Communications, Desht-Thor, named after one of history's most famous explorers, Thor Heyerdahl. On August 20th, 2022, from 11 a.m., you will plunge into the history of the Great Step. The event will take place on the city embankment along Hazek Street. Its chariots of the Bronze Age, brave Saka warriors, sword and saber fights, archery, the ancient craftsmanship of blacksmiths, armorers, skinners, weavers and potters. All of these things and more will be available at the creative platforms of the festival. Come and enjoy every minute of the event.